Guangzhou Konmison Electronic Technology Company Limited was established in 2013 as a professional beauty equipment company with a trustful partner manufacturer, which it's located in Dongguan, integrating R&D, production, marketing, and service. Konmison is located in Guangzhou City and covers 272 square meters. We are a professional supplier of many beauty equipment, including cavitration slimming machine, RF facial skin rejuvenation machine, face and body care machine, mini home use beauty devices, etc. We have built our own production factory with excellent technology research team and professional service team. With strict standards on product quality, we handle every detail well during production and check carefully before delivery. In terms of qualified production lines, we have applied for the CE certificate. We offer superior service of OEM, ODM designing and producing for clients all over the world. The service team will meet your inquiries both before and after sales to offer the clients wonderful purchase experiences. Our marketing web has covered 5 continents with its advanced technology and professional services, gaining a good reputation both at home and abroad. In the future development, we will stick to the innovation of system, technology, and management under the leading of advanced technology and the supporting of superior quality, striving to become the world's first-class professional beauty equipment manufacturer and vendor. Guangzhou Konmison Electronic Technology Company Limited is your best choice. Welcome to Konmison.